Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We're going to briefly talk about this hair that I have in my head today. It is the Freetress Beach Curl in 18 inches. As you can see, I did trim it quite a bit, but I left it long in the back and I really like this hair. It lays a little bit better than the wand curl hair and the go-go curl, but the curl is a lot like the go-go curl. This is really more of a wave than the coily hair that Freetress makes, but it was really fun putting this hair in because I didn't get any tangles. I have not gotten very much frizz, and it's really soft. So if you want to see how I did this install, it's a braidless crochet, which is basically all that I can do because I can't braid. Stay tuned, you're gonna see how it's done. I do recommend this hair and it's very inexpensive. Start off by sectioning your hair however you like and then twist it. And I secured it with a rubber band at the base and bobby pins at the ends just to make sure everything stayed down. This is the method that I use for basically every style that I do myself. It is really quick and really easy. I got all of this done in about 12 minutes and then I proceeded with the style. What I can tell you is make sure you know where you want your part to be, or you can do more than one part if you want a more versatile look. For full headed styles, I always use a cap. It keeps my hair safe, and when I'm like trying to cut out the hair, I don't accidentally cut my real hair. I always pull it up on my forehead for the very beginning, and then when I'm halfway done putting in the hair, that's when I scoot the cap back. Insert your latch hook underneath your cap and your hair, loop on one piece of hair, close the latch, pull the hair through, and make a loop. It's best with this hair because it is kind of soft to do 2 or 3 loops. You can even do 4, but for sure do more than 2. Now it's time to push back the cap so I can see the front of my own hair. And I will start to do the invisible part method, invisible knot method, I'm sorry. And the difference between a normal loop and this loop is that when you pull the hair through, you're only going to pull one side of the hair. and I'll show you that a couple of times. That way you can hide the band and then it won't look like you're wearing a wig.